When a relationship ends, it's natural to have the urge to reach out to your ex or stalk them online. However, indulging these impulses often does more harm than good. It only validates her decision to leave. Welcome back to The Woman Signals. If you're new here, just subscribe to get more valuable content about dating every day. This video will explain how to make a woman regret losing you after a breakup. By avoiding desperate behaviors and focusing on self-growth, you can give her that tinge of regret while rebuilding your confidence. Know when it applies. These tactics are only advisable under specific circumstances. 1. She was absolutely in the wrong for ending things. If the breakup was unjust or unfair, it may be worth considering these tactics. 2. You gave 110% in the relationship. If you poured your heart and soul into the relationship and feel like you deserve more, these tactics might offer closure. The objective isn't solely to win her back. It's about finding closure and satisfaction in knowing that she regrets her decision. When someone feels secure in leaving you, especially if it was unjust, it can be frustrating. Generating a sense of regret on her part can help balance the scales and provide a sense of vindication. However, it's essential to approach this with caution and ensure that the ultimate goal is personal closure and growth rather than seeking revenge or manipulation. Why she left. When a woman decides to leave a relationship, it's usually because she believes she can find something better elsewhere. Perhaps there were unresolved issues, unmet needs, or a lack of fulfillment in the relationship that led her to feel this way. To make her regret leaving, it's crucial to handle the situation with grace and self-assurance. Walking away unfazed demonstrates strength and independence, showing her that you won't beg or plead for her to stay. Instead, focusing on personal growth and becoming the best version of yourself is key. By investing in self-improvement and working on becoming an exceptional man, you not only increase your own value, but also show her what she's missing out on. How she gets validation. Women often seek validation through the emotional responses they elicit from others, especially from romantic partners. When a woman ends a relationship, she may expect the man to chase after her in various ways, such as through persistent texts, calls, or social media messages. This behavior allows her to feel desired and valued, boosting her self-esteem and reinforcing her decision to end the relationship. By engaging in emotional displays of longing or desperation, the man inadvertently provides the woman with the validation she seeks. This dynamic can create a sense of power and control for the woman, as she feels assured of her desirability and influence over her former partner. Cut off her supply. One effective way to make an ex regret leaving you is to cut off the supply of attention and validation she's used to getting from you. This can be achieved through implementing the no-contact rule after a breakup. As difficult as it is, you need to completely block her on all platforms and avoid any communication. This may seem counterintuitive, but it works by creating curiosity and frustration in her, replacing the satisfaction she previously got from you. Women expect guys will continue chasing them post-breakup. So defy this expectation by showing self-control and emotional strength. Willfully remove the attention and validation she thrives on. By cutting off contact, you snap her out of taking you for granted. She'll be forced to experience life without your presence that she became accustomed to. This absence triggers nostalgia and starts to reshape her perception of you as a strong, unaffected man. It also gives you the space to focus on your own goals and self-improvement. Become an exceptional man. The key is to become an exceptional man that women don't want to lose. Work on improving yourself physically, mentally, financially, and socially. Keep growing as a person. When you elevate yourself and become a high-caliber man, you inherently become more valuable. Women recognize and appreciate men with substance and ambition. So stay focused on your own personal development. Build your skills, knowledge, career, body, social network, everything that matters. Climb higher in the hierarchy of quality men. By becoming the best version of yourself, any woman will clearly see what an asset you are. She'll realize how much she stands to lose if she lets a man like you go. Open your options. Once you've spent time working on yourself and healing after a breakup, it's important to start putting yourself back out there. Begin meeting new people and exploring new romantic connections. Even if your ex denies it, seeing you with another woman will create jealousy and regret in her. This relates to a proven psychological principle called preselection. Basically, women are attracted to men who other women are also attracted to. When your ex sees other women interested in you, it provides social proof that you are a man of high value and worth pursuing. Rest assured your ex is likely keeping tabs on you and your dating life. Show her all the excitement and fulfillment she is missing out on by not being with you anymore. Don't let a breakup completely derail your ambitions in life. If she comes back later wanting you back, you can decide how to respond then. But don't put your whole life on pause waiting around for her. Keep living your best life. Avoid desperate behaviors. When trying to reconnect with an ex, it's important to avoid desperate behaviors that will only push her away more. Here are some key mistakes to steer clear of. Begging or bargaining to get her back. This makes you look needy and lowers your value. Monitoring her social media or showing up unannounced. Stalkerish behavior is creepy, not romantic. Drunk calling or texting emotional pleas. Never pour your heart out sloppy drunk. Maintain composure. Trying to make her jealous with other women. This is manipulative and comes from a place of hurt. Spreading rumors or talking badly about her. Taking the high road preserves your integrity. Actions like these scream desperation and reveal you're not over the relationship. You want to appear confident and unfazed, even if you don't totally feel that way yet. The healthiest approach is to focus positive energy on yourself and your own growth. Avoid knee-jerk reactions that provide only momentary relief but cause lasting damage. Keep your composure and recognize the relationship has changed. Accept it with grace and maturity, even if it hurts. Handling a breakup with class and dignity earns respect. Ways to promote self-growth. Going through a breakup can be really hard, but it also presents an opportunity for self-growth if you channel your energy in a productive way. Here are some great ideas to improve yourself after a breakup. Start working out regularly at the gym to get in better shape physically. This will also boost your confidence. Put more effort into getting that promotion at work you've been wanting. Dive into projects that will impress your boss. Sign up for a class or online course to expand your skill set and make you more valuable professionally. Reach out to friends you've fallen out of touch with during the relationship. Strengthening those bonds again will enrich your life. Book an exciting trip somewhere new that you've been wanting to visit. Exploring the world expands your horizons. Pick up a new hobby like painting, hiking, or playing an instrument. Find something meaningful that adds joy and color to your days. Read books that inspire you and help you learn new things. Never stop growing intellectually. Volunteer your time to make a difference in your community. Giving back provides a sense of purpose. The pain of a breakup can motivate you to improve yourself in so many ways. Seize this opportunity for self-growth and watch your confidence soar. At the end of the day, work on unshakable confidence and a fulfilling life that will far outlive her memory. Show poise and restraint by refusing to feed her ego. Become so focused on your purpose that she sees what she lost. Whether she comes back or not, you'll have regained control and satisfaction. And you'll have built a lifestyle that attracts the right woman for you, not one you have to chase. The goal isn't manipulating your ex per se, it's becoming a man who naturally makes women take notice through the substance he cultivates. If you found value in this video, express your appreciation by smashing that like button. We thrive on your feedback, so drop your key takeaways in the comments. Share the wisdom with anyone who could use this advice. It might just make their day. And for those looking to champion our channel, hit the super thanks feature below. Your support fuels our passion. A heartfelt thank you for joining us today. Brace yourself for more enriching content coming your way soon. Until our next rendezvous, stay tuned and stay fabulous.